Hello, everybody. Today we are going to learn about the relationship of anthropology with sociology. Mainly, sociocultural anthropology is related with sociology intimately. Both the disciplines study society, however, they differ from each other in terms of methodology and approach. Sociology is the study of society, it studies human behavior in group. Since anthropology is interested in the study of man, who is a social animal, therefore study of society is quite natural on the part of anthropology. Relationship between anthropology and sociology. Similarities. Meaning of social structure. Radcliffe Brown was the pioneer in the study of social anthropology. He differentiated sociocultural anthropology from ethnology and defined social structure in that context. He defined social structure as permanent set of relationships that existed in the societies between individuals and individuals, between individuals and groups or within groups. This network of relationship is called social structure. According to him, social structure is static and non-changing concept. The basic raw material and tool for the study of sociocultural anthropology is social relationship. So, um, Radcliffe Brown was the pioneer in the study of social anthropology. What he did was that he differentiated sociocultural anthropology and ethnology and also defined what social structure is. So, according to Radcliffe Brown, social structure is a permanent set of relationship that exists between in the society between individual and individual, between individuals and groups, or within groups. And this network of relationship is called social structure. And according to him, this social structure is static and non-changing concept. The basic raw material and the tool for the study of sociocultural anthropology is social relationship. Comparative sociology. Another similarity between the two disciplines is comparative study of social structure, which means that both these subjects study the social structure and they compare the social structure. It is easier for sociocultural anthropology to compare between modern and simple society for generating meaningful and scientific law. However, for sociologists, there is little scope for comparison, yet they can generalize since they compare between different modern societies. So, what anthropology do, that is, sociocultural anthropology do, is that they compare between the modern and the simple societies, that is, the modern and the primitive societies. But the sociologists they compare between two different modern societies. They do not compare between modern societies and the primitive societies. So there is little scope for comparison. Then sociological study. Another component in the social anthropology is sociological study. Because of this background, which was carved out by Radcliffe Brown in Britain, some sociologists regard anthropology as a branch of sociology, which is not true. Moreover, sociocultural anthropologists are teaching sociology in many countries. For example, M.N. Srinivas, a sociocultural anthropologist, headed Department of Sociology in Delhi University. This type of background tempted some of the sociologists to state that social anthropology is not different from the sociology. So basically, the background was set by the Radcliffe Brown in Britain, and some sociologists think that anthropology is a branch of sociology, but this is not true. Moreover, some sociocultural anthropologists like M.N. Srinivas uh, headed the Department of Sociology in Delhi University. So this makes some of the sociologists think that social anthropology is nothing but a branch of sociology, which is not at all true. It is a separate branch in itself. Now we will study about the influence of sociology on anthropology. The ideology of Durkheim, a French sociologist, had greatly influenced the doctrines of anthropologists like Malinowski and Radcliffe Brown. Subject matter of social anthropology is so much similar to the subject matter of sociology that many social scientists have regarded anthropology as a branch of sociology. As we have discussed earlier also, the matter is very similar to each other. So many sociologists or social scientists think that anthropology is a branch of sociology. Evans Pritchard has written social anthropology can be regarded as a branch of sociological studies, that branch which chiefly devotes itself to the primitive societies. So, according to Evans Pritchard, social anthropology can be regarded as a branch of sociological studies, the branch which chiefly devotes itself to primitive societies because it studies the primitive society, whereas the sociology does not study primitive societies, it studies the modern societies. Now we will learn social anthropology helping sociology. Many discoveries of social anthropology have thrown new light on several subjects of sociology. Sociology has taken the ideas of cultural field, cultural apparatus, cultural lag, etc. from social anthropology and developed them further. Sociology has taken ideas of cultural field, cultural apparatus, cultural lag, etc. from social anthropology and then it has developed them further. Basic personality type discovery of Ralph Linton and Abraham Cardinal have greatly influenced sociologists. So basically, sociologists are influenced by the anthropologists, sociocultural anthropologists. Applied viewpoint of society of culture is special contribution of Malinowski to society, sociology. Discoveries of Ruth Benedict have been very helpful in studying various sociological problems about national character. Physical anthropology and sociology. Physical anthropology has exerted great influence on various problems on sociology. It has proved that ethnological discoveries of Franz Boas and Otto Kleinberg that physical characteristics have nothing to do with the mental special features and that the influence of environment is the main cause of mental differences. Anthropology has also helped sociology by disproving the ideas of racism. McCleaver and other sociologists have attached great importance to this contribution of anthropology. The differences. Though the discipline of social anthropology have developed in close association with sociology and borrowed concepts from them, it does not mean that social anthropology is a branch of sociology. As zoology and botany are biological sciences originated from the same, but they have their separate identities. Similarly, sociology and social anthropology are not same as they differ from each other in terms of methodology and extent of study. Anthropology is concerned with simple and complex society, while sociology is concerned with complex or Western society, that is, rural and urban society mainly. After studying tribal societies, anthropologists have also included rural and urban communities into their fold. Anthropology contributed significantly towards labor relations, understanding social tensions, ethnic conflicts, globalization, etc. Also, in the recent years, sociology has developed keen interest in study of tribal communities so much so that these days there is no difference between anthropologists and sociologists with respect to study on tribal communities. On the other hand, anthropology collects data by face-to-face study, that is participant observation. The sociology collects data with the help of secondary techniques such as questionnaire, survey, and schedule. Realizing the advantage of participant observation, all the other social sciences, including sociology, has adopted it. Anthropology studies social, economic, political, cultural, etc. aspects of the mankind. Sociology, on the other hand, studies social relations and social interactions alone. The conclusion is that anthropology is unique holistic discipline studying man, society of man and totally in terms of space and time, whereas sociology is a part of study. So today we are going to end this session, and in the next session we are going to study the relationship of anthropology with medical sciences. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.